Hello everyone and welcome back. If you've been following our routine, then you also know how to create a document and set up your text in Microsoft Word. Today, let's move a bit further along and discuss how to insert pictures and add bullet points to keep your ideas ordered. Extremely helpful for projects in school, resumes, or simply getting things to look more visually appealing and clear. Okay, go ahead and open a Word document, either the one we've been working on or a new blank one if you want to start from scratch. Now let's insert a picture. Just place the cursor where you want the picture to appear. Then go to the top menu and click on Insert, and then select Pictures. If you have a picture already stored on your computer, click on this device, locate your picture, and click on Insert. And there it is, it inserts right into your document. Once you have the image in, you can resize it by clicking on it and dragging the corners in and out. Also, you can move it around. If the text is getting shoved everywhere, then click on the image, and then on that small icon that comes up beside it, it's the layout options. Select tight or square so that the text wraps around the image nicely. Helpful tip. Okay, now let's discuss bullet points. Ideal for lists or key points. Click somewhere you'd like to insert your list, and then go to the Home tab across the top, and then click on the bullet symbol. That's those dots with lines next to them. Type out your first item, press Enter, and Word will give you the next bullet. Simple. Alternatively, you can click the small drop-down next to the bullet symbol to switch the style, like check marks or arrows instead of regular dots. And if you prefer a numbered list instead, you simply click on the number symbol to the side of the bullets. Word will automatically number everything along the way. After that's finished, just press Enter twice and Word will end the list so you can type normally again. That's it! You've just discovered how to insert images and create clean, readable bullet point lists. These two tools are a real game changer. They make things clearer and a lot more engaging to read. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to view more Word tips. In the next video, we're going to explore how to insert headers, footers, and page numbers, ideal for reports and assignments. Catch you later!